Welcome back, 4L. Whatever you do for life. Don't let nobody stop you or tell you can't do it. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing slash, I don't know, probably put the oil change and everything together, but I ain't gonna put my address in here. Let me hold on real quick. Let me swap over to my GoPro. Be right. Alright, so we locked and loaded. Let me, yeah, this shit a little heavy. This stuff a little heavy. I'm trying to stop cussing so much, guys. Hold on, let me rip off my address real quick so you guys can't see that. Give me 1 second. All right, now we're good. Oh, got two of them, the motherfuckers. Got two addresses. Okay, I'm just gonna put that one over that one. Yeah, just like so. I'm terrible with boxes, but the box already halfway beat up, so don't gotta worry about that. Literally. Man, I've been hearing about this stuff for so long, guys. Okay, so look, let me give y'all a little background. This is some of the best oil supposedly you can buy, okay? The test on YouTube, go look them up. This is like some good, really good oil. And it's supposedly 75% more wear protection, okay? I got their signature series, and I plan on doing the transmission fluid swap. I know it says automatic trans fluid, but it can go in the manual too, according to them. But nah, it should work. I had to do a lot of research on that. I was a bit skeptical myself. And guys, let me tell y'all something. When I say this oil is not cheap, that's like out there. Okay, so look, let me tell you guys how I save 25%. If you go to their website, which I'm gonna kind of have a little small box of me going to their website and showing you guys. If you go to their website and get a referred membership, referred program membership, whatever, you pay $10 for it, get 25% off your order. This oil usually costs $14 a quart, which most oil costs $10, $8 to $10 a quart. This oil is $14 a freaking quart, guys, so it better be good, right? Right. But it was like 200 bucks. I ended up saving $36.40, so brought the total down to 166 for everything. So yeah, that's how you save 25%. So anyway, I ain't gonna crack it open right now. It did come with some stickers, which I am gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna put on my laptop because I'm not a big person. They're like, I wish they would send me more than one, because I ain't gonna lie, I got a little collection over there of stickers on that wall, like car stickers, and I always like to put stickers on my laptop, so I don't know, but I'm pretty excited, and I'm gonna get back with you guys whenever when I get ready to do the oil change, which gonna probably be tomorrow. Good morning, 4L, and we're back here at like 7 a.m. I've been up, but still tired. Anyways, I'm in my mechanic attire, and I'm just gonna jump right to it. So I'm going ahead, start by cranking the car up, get it up to running temperature so the oil can drain a little bit easier. Most people don't like working on a hot car. I'm not necessarily trying to get it hot, but I just want that oil to come up in temperature so it can flow out a good bit better. Stop, sit. Oh, you already sitting. I'm not going nowhere, dog. I'm not even going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. You don't gotta look at me with them puppy eyes. I'm not going nowhere. There you go. Good girl. She love the Camaro, bro. She love riding. That dog went riding ass dog. She'll ride anywhere. Lawnmower, four-wheel, she'll ride anywhere on anything, man. But anyway, while this get up to operating temperature, she just bumped her head trying to get back. But while they get up to operating temperature, the tools I'm gonna need for the job: 15mm socket, screwdriver, a jack of course, and a ratchet. But that's about it. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit on the GoPro and with all my tools. Alright guys, so it should be up to operating temperatures. I don't want it to get hot because it don't take long for this car to get hot. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hot because I had it running about 2-3 minutes. I will be doing it in the garage, but the space is kind of occupied right now, so get it how you live, you know. Yeah. Yeah, the motor's super dirty, guys. It's like I said, it's been sitting down. If you go back and check out the old videos, it's been sitting down for a hot minute. So If anybody does detailing and you're in the Alabama area, I will pull up on you for you to detail my car and shout you out and pay you good, just because I'm trying to do some collaborations. But yeah, anyway, let's get to it. I like to start off so I can get a little airflow. That way when the oil starts draining, you got air that it can suck from the top, go down to the bottom. Get a good spot to mount it. Grass a little wet, but it's okay because it's called a shower, people. Nigga, I'm running, nigga. Down bad, keep it 100, nigga. Scream and spend some time. And I can get some time. Now I'm trying to get what's mine. Be thugging to the end of time. Alright guys, these are the only two you're gonna need. You're gonna need a fucking oil filter, screwdriver, 15, and to tighten. You really don't even need this. Back in the fun fact, back in like the day, the mechanics only used to hand tighten it. Now with people being more stupid and don't know what tight is, they make people use, well, I guess think 2/4 of a turn out there is hand tight. So yeah, let's get on it here and get to work. So let's move up. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. All pretty much done up. So I'm gonna leave the screw off because I'm gonna run some new oil to flush it out. I like to do a little flush just to make sure it's clean, you know. How I want to do that? Well, I usually stab it, but I'm kind of in a bad position. It'd be easier to stab it from the front. All right, just like that. She's ready to come off. That way you get the oil out. Let me turn that. You get the oil out, and you can take out the filter easier. Instead of trying to wrap this up there in an uncomfortable position, you just stab it, boo, come right down. I get back. Make sure you get this started real nice and even. It should catch on pretty easy. Just get it flat and it should just catch on. If I can get it flat though. All right, so me being a wasteful person, but not really, I just like things done right. I'ma pour a quart of oil or two just to flush it. Four. Five. Six. You know, that 6 just reminded me of the part out 21 Jump Street. My name's Jeff. That's just my part 21 Jump Street. My name's Jeff. Get out that grass. Save it. Look at my dog. She done got dirty. Come on, girl. What are you doing laying in the grass? You know it's wet out here right now. Wait till daytime. Devoted to protect. Ooh, I like the sound of that. 8. Nine. 99. River Street 99. Y'all know that song? That 99 Red Balloons. That's a good ass song. That's some good ass song. I'm gonna check the fluid after this, and just to make sure that I'm not overfilling it, because if you overfill it, you could blow your gaskets, head gaskets, you know, just all your gaskets around the motor that the oil lubricating. If it got too much pressure on it, it's just gonna blow it. So just always play it safe. I know you know how many quarts of oil it's supposed to take, but just play it safe and check it. Take 10 quarts. So yeah, we should be good, but that looked about right though. It was like a quarter to the empty. So that means that A quart should get it back at least 75%, you know, which is fine with me. I'm only gonna do half quart. Well, 9, I forgot to say it, 9. I'm only gonna do half a quart. Make sure I don't overfill it. Patience is the key, guys. Don't rush anything. When you're working on your car, be patient. I know you got shit to do, but hey, get over it. Let's say this time. Bow. I just got done putting up the tools, getting fucked up by my dog right now. The poodles don't know that. Hey man, I get it, you a killer. Let me reset this oil life. Just hold it, select, bam, just like that. You're good to go. I ain't gonna lie to you. She sounds so good right now. And she's so quiet right now too. Look at that. She running so smooth. Oh, I need to clean her up, guys. I can't do it no more. Next video, or wait, one of the 2 videos. I need an oil catch can to finally be put on here, and I need to freaking detail my car. So let's go get some oil. Let's get this tune on though. Yeah. Feels so much better. That might just be in my head though. I'm not talking about the oil change, just talking about the tune. The oil change, it made it more quiet. For sure. Alright. Kind of open up a little bit right here. Just a little bit though. It feels so much better. It feels so much better. So much better with that new, my tune back where it's supposed to be. And then I had just cleaned my air filter off camera, and man, it feels so much better. That motherfucker spin. I ain't felt it spin like that in a minute, like in a hot minute. Like that motherfucker is, it's next. Oh, I just realized my traction control on, bro. My traction control was on. It cut out, bro. It cut out. It cut out. God damn, that motherfucker was gonna take off.